Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Automatic chicken doors.
Number 5.
Automatic chicken coop door opener. Measures approximately 40.5 inches tall x 13 and 7/8 inches wide x 3 and 7/8 inches deep. Vertical sliding door. Timer operated. One-year limited warranty. Handcrafted in USA.
Number 4.
A Doors Tower Door 1 Automatic Chicken Coop. Free 6-volt lantern battery included.
Allons manger. Vers les cieux de Méditerranée.
Heavy duty. Lifetime galvanized steel construction.
Allons manger. Vers les cieux de Méditerranée.
No string puller. Direct drive sprocket keeps door shut.
Vers l'horizon.
One-year warranty. Designed and manufactured in USA. No need to program. Self-adapting to the seasons.
Number 3.
Brandsia Products TrickSafe Extreme Automatic Chicken. Military-grade electronics all-in-one design with integrated timer and light sensor, no complicated wiring or limit switches. Full manual door control and unique fail-safe mode. -20 to +120 degrees F temperature operating range. Low battery indicator and door closed indicator visible 100 yards away. X12 exterior grade aluminum door suitable for most species.
Number 2.
Incubator Warehouse Auto Coop Ultimate Chicken. Automatic chicken coop door with timer. Weatherproof fiberglass door. One-year warranty. Powerful motor. Automatic chicken coop door with timer.
Number 1.
Internet-enabled programmable automatic chicken coop door. AC electric powered plugs into standard grounded AC outlet. Dawn to dusk or schedule open and close times programmable. 5/8" solid Acme threaded steel screw-driven door operation. Low power, programmable digital electronic controller. Programmable freeze protect technology door stays closed on dangerously cold winter days.